So, let's have a quick taste test of this product. Ito po ay magpapatunay na malapit ko na po siyang Easy ulam in a glass baka mo? Try nyo kaya itong Miss D Special Gourmet Tuyo. Let's have a quick taste test of this product. Tingnan nyo po ito. Ito po ay magpapatunay na malapit ko na po talaga siyang maubos. Hindi namin siya mauubos ng ganito kung hindi siya masarap eh. Mas nakakaganang kumain ng tuyo for breakfast dahil dito. Ang maganda pa kasi dito, masasabawan mo yung kanin mo. Ang dami niya kasing laman eh. If I'm going to rate this, I would say it's going to be 9 out of 10. What makes it more special is that it contains olive oil which is rich in monosaturated fats na siyang nakakapag-prevent ng strokes and heart diseases. And it is added with garlic which is known to lower the blood pressure and carrots which is rich in vitamin A. Kaya try nyo na kasi hindi lang mas magiging special ang breakfast mo with Miss D Gourmet Tuyo kundi healthy din. Pasok din ito sa budget nyo for only 240 pesos per jar. So, paano? Diretso nyo na to sa yellow basket ko.